to present all the facts about this product. So let's go ahead and check it out. Stop wasting $20 to $200 every month on overpriced ChatGPT. Frustrated with DeepSeek's server busy. Errors when you need it the most. Your data isn't safe on DeepSeek's Chinese servers. Think twice. Presenting DeepSmart's, the AI that crushed ChatGPT and DeepSeek with more features, no limits, and 100% ironclad privacy, smarter, faster, and more powerful, most advanced AI model. Built in the USA to fix Chat and DeepSeek's issues. 0.100% data privacy. No Chinese servers. Guaranteed data security. Built in the USA by video company since 2021. Deep reasoning models beats ChatGPT for 0.5 and DeepSeek R1. Creates any kind of text content in seconds. Professional text, sales script, artistic, poetic, etc. Creates mesmerizing for Insta Reels and YouTube short videos missing in ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Creates and edits stunning images in one click. Read, edit, or summarize PDF, docs, or any type of content. Voice input turns speech to text in chat box for seamless hands-free, real-time interaction. Pocket-friendly. Imagine getting 10 times more feature than ChatGPT to $100 month plan. No censorship, no content restrictions, no limitations on free expression unlike ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Lifetime account in low one-time price. Smartest, powerful AI. What makes DeepSmart's better than DeepSeek and ChatGPT? Chat comparison. Dips versus ChatGPT versus DeepSeek versus Claude versus Perplexity. DeepSmart serves as a complete AI marketing platform made specifically for entrepreneurs along with digital marketers and businesses in the small to medium category. The fundamental advantage of DeepSmart's rests in its ability to apply machine learning technology for streamlining marketing activities, which include content preparation and audience separation and advertisement optimization and performance prediction. Capabilities. The platform positions itself to fade out speculation and cut down manual work while reaching top raw potential in an area overflowing with automated options. Users without technical experience who require comprehensive business insights form the target audience of DeepSmart's according to its preview resources and promotional information. The following exploration will focus on what defines this particular tool. Who should use DeepSmart's? Digital marketing professionals should use automated tools to conduct A/B testing management alongside audience targeting functions as well as reporting solutions. Users of e-commerce stores benefit from improved product ads optimization that reduces shopping cart abandonments. Content creators generate SEO content 10x faster. The system provides an interface through which agencies can oversee various client accounts. DeepSmart's functions as a comprehensive AI ecosystem that handles contemporary marketing problems despite being an AI tool. The tool's excellent automation capabilities combined with accurate data handling and wide scalability prospects make it a superior selection despite its imperfections. DeepSmart's presents difficulties for new or budget-constrained businesses. Because of its steep learning process and financial requirements, yet it proves essential for companies that want to fuel their growth. So friends, if you need to buy this, please check my video's first comment. Thanks for watching this full review. I hope you would like it. See you soon!